Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the vlog. This is my first voiceover vlog and doing a how-to video. So here I'm going to be fixing my Macbook Pro. As you guys have known on my Instagram, my hard drive went to crap and now I decided to just buy the new one and fix it. So this is the new hard drive I'll be plugging in. It's a solid state drive. Take off the back, plugs right in, and we're good to go. So first we're going to take off these 3 screws here. These are longer screws, I like to keep my screws all in order, so I took those off first and then take off all the small ones. Now I have a little bowl that has a magnet to it that saves my screws. If not, just put a cup or something, just don't lose it. And here's the top. You take this off. It's already clean, but if you guys notice there's a lot of dust, clean it off. This is where the fan is and things like that, so you want to make sure you get all that dust off. Now, here are all the internals, and there is a bracket here that you need to remove with 2 Phillips head screws. You remove that, and that will allow you to use this plastic tab to pull out your hard drive. So you pull it out, remove the connector, just as so, and your hard drive's out. Now, if you notice, there's these little pins that you need to be able to slide in the new hard drive into. And here's a sample of the new versus the old. Pull this up. Alright, so then I noticed that it did not come with these 4 screws, so you will have to remove that from your original hard drive. So remove the 4, and the new hard drive actually does come pre-set with the screw hole, so you can go ahead and remove it and put it right on. So let me go do that real quick. Great, so I have gone ahead and screwed them right in. You have all 4, and I also took the plastic tab so that I can use it in future in case I need to pull it out. And what you do here is just plug it back into the connector, slide it into the slot to make sure it holds in place. Put back your bracket and screw them back in. And this will make sure that your hard drive doesn't bounce around when you walk around with your laptop making YouTube videos. Alright, so it's screwed in. Now, I've also purchased a new battery, and I'm not changing that out now because I do need the computer up and running so I can see that the battery is fully charged. And I also changed out my RAM. Very simple, you pull out the 2 little tabs, the card will pop up, and you slide them right out, and then you put them back in. And this has 2 slots, so both slots I have 8 gig RAM in each, so a total of 16 gigs, plus the solid state drive is going to have it running like butter. So, put the top back on, start with the long screws, and then go back all the way around and screw everything back in. And I know the battery, I'm going to be unscrewing it again, but again, I don't want to do that till I can actually see the screen, because I do need to see when the battery gets up to 100% and then down to 0, back up to 100, and calibrate it correctly. So, there we go. Just screwing them all in. And I know I'm missing one of these little feet. I gotta buy one. I hate that I'm missing it. But off to Apple tomorrow. Alright guys, total fail on the Apple today. Set the appointment for the wrong time, or wrong day actually, so I will have to just come back. So, to be continued, but soon.